Tomorrow morning in Washington, D.C., Texas will defend its new anti-abortion law before the U.S. Supreme Court. Justices will hear arguments from both sides. This is the Texas law that outlaws abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, usually about 6 weeks along in a pregnancy. Remember, the state does not enforce this one. Instead, anyone can sue abortion providers over it. Ross Ramsey is among those watching this case. He's the co-founder and executive editor of the Texas Tribune in Austin. Good morning to you, Ross.
Good morning, Jason. How are you?
Doing well here. You know, Mississippi also has that high-profile anti-abortion case at the Supreme Court. Is there any significance of Texas going first?
Well, I think the court wanted to hear Texas first because the administration was pressing to hear it. There are some immediate questions like, are you going to leave this law in effect while you're deciding? But they might well hear the Mississippi case before they rule on the Texas case. They could rule on all of these cases together. We're just first in the hearing schedule.
Governor Abbott signed those 4 redistricting maps into law, and it seems like Democrats are obviously continuing in the courts. How likely is it that we'll see the primaries happen in March?
You know, I think it's 50-50 now. They passed a law during the session that puts the primaries right where they are. They kind of had a rescheduling thing. And if the courts don't redraw the maps or say they're partly illegal, we should go ahead on March 1st. If they do, we don't.
We'll see what happens. Ross, back to you in a moment. Thank you.